Okay, what you're looking at is the HCF2012 test tank. This is my vacuum, my exhaust hose. If you can look at the inner parts of the tank, you will see that it's like when I poured the water in there, it sucked all of the meshing, the filter, up against the tank. Now what I'm going to do is blow into this hole here and inject some air into this to see if it's going to hold right quick, because it's saturated with water. There. Oh, the pressure is pushing all the water back out. The pressure is pushing all the air back out this vent hose. Let's see how much it presses out before it fills with water, because I want it to be full with water before I start this test, because if not, it would have basically been dry on the inside. And you can see some bubbling at the top right there, and that's not supposed to be happening. So I guess that the meshing, the netting, is not all saturated yet. So I got 10 minutes to show you this. We're a minute and 13 seconds in, and here I go. That's going to be a lot of pressure, come think of it. It's like it's almost saturated. Because once it gets saturated, the netting will expand. Once it gets wet, it should close up any little bitty venting holes. Blow it in again. Yeah, it's getting up there. So I guess the reason why the bubbles are coming off the top of it is because that's what gravity is sending it to, and it should be going back up out this exhaust hole. Okay, when we start this test up, we're not going to use any electrolyte, which is baking soda. We're not using any of that right now. So we're finna start it on 6 volts. And here we go. You will see some bubbles forming on the stainless steel. Let's get this right on it. If you can see some of that action going on. Like I said, there's no electrolytes in the water. We're going to take it to 6 volts, 12 volts. Basically no action. Basically no action. Alright. You see there's really basically no action without any electrolyte in the water, which is a salt or baking soda, but what I'm told is that you can they got another substance on the market that you can use that's better than baking soda. Alright. I'm going to add about 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm going to solidify it right quick. I think that I should pour it directly into the netting rather than put it in the surrounding water. That's what I should try on this first trip. Yeah, that's what I think we should try. Okay. The odds of me pouring this perfectly are 0. Let me turn the volts down to 6. There, little shot. A little more action.